Hi everyone, this is Priyanka. Most of you know me very well. First of all, thank you so much for sending your kind wishes on my special day on my birthday. Thank you so much. Your wishes mean a lot to me. I didn't know that I'll be sharing this video with you all on my special day, but recently something has happened in my life which has changed my perspective towards the life and my mindset towards the people around me and things around me, but in a positive manner. I thought of sharing with you all via this video. I hope it will be useful. Friends, recently I have been detected as COVID positive patient. I didn't know kahan se hua. I was going to my workplace every day. My job being the part of essential services in the community, I was regular to my workplace. One fine day, I was feeling headache, body ache, and feverish. My fever started with 99 and it had reached to 102. Then I consulted a doctor. He prescribed me a normal viral fever medicine. I took the medicine. Next day morning, there was no fever, no headache, no body ache. I was feeling fine. But somehow I feel your body tells you something, your body indicates you something. Listen to your body. Internally, I was not feeling fit, I was not feeling healthy. Then it was suggested that go for a COVID test. Though I was like, I'm not a COVID patient because there is no major symptoms as such as it's showing in the media and the news and the people are sharing. So I do not have any of those symptoms, but I still went for the test. I reached the hospital. I gave my test. While coming back from the hospital, I decided that I will isolate myself till the time I get my report. I reached home. I picked up all the necessary stuff, my books, my laptop, my phone, utensils, my water bottle, some fruits, and some eatables. And then I locked myself in a room attached to a washroom. I was waiting for my report. So, day has come and I saw my report. My report was positive. I was shocked, I was worried, and I was blank for some time. I didn't know what to do. Then I told myself, do whatever is right for you, for the society, and for the country. I picked up my phone. I informed my organization, I informed my family members and very close friends that I'm COVID positive. Then I updated my status on Arogya Setu app. So I informed the government also that now I'm a COVID positive patient. Trust me, friends, it's very necessary to inform the right kind of people. If you are detected with COVID positive test, please inform the right kind of people. They will help you for sure. First 2 days it was normal. I was not finding any changes, but from third day onwards, then again it was a constant headache, body ache, but there was no fever. Fourth and fifth day onwards, there was a loss of appetite. Fourth fifth day there was a loss of smell and taste. मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा था मैं क्या खा रही हूँ. मुझे स्मेल नहीं हो रहा था. Till fifth and sixth day I was just lying on the bed. From seventh day onwards, I mustered my courage and I started doing yoga and asanas. So I was doing yoga and asanas in the evening, which helped me a lot. So apart from yoga, so there is no medicine for COVID. You'll have to focus on your food, your eating habits, your water intake. So apart from yoga, I was taking a Kiloi ki tablet, kachi haldi ke tablet, ashwagandha drops, tulsi drops. I was taking hot water baths. For first few days, I avoided AC. I was not using AC at all. Then from seventh day onwards, it was better. So apart from these tablets, I was taking calcium, zinc, vitamin C, vitamin D, lots of water, and lots of fruits. Eighth day onwards, I was finding better. 9th, 10th, 11th day, it was much better than the previous days. And 12th and 13th days, I was absolutely fine. Another thing which is very important, I was in touch with a very good doctor because everyday symptoms were getting changed. So I was informing him, and as a good doctor, he was telling me all the do's and don'ts. My friends, I know it's a difficult situation, it's a different situation. The moment you got to know that you are a COVID positive patient, don't be feared. Let's face it, I'm about to get my report. I have done my test again. I am waiting for my report to come. Definitely, I'm gonna share my report with you all, and I will share my rendezvous with COVID with you all very soon. Stay tuned. How I fought it back with COVID, what I did in 14 days. I would like to share with you all so that you know in case if someone is going through with this trauma or this anxiety or this depression or this challenge, so that you can overcome and you can face it boldly. So thank you so much once again for watching this. I hope you will like it. Stay tuned, because in coming videos I'll be telling you how I fought it back with COVID. Thank you so much. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much. Love you all.